What's up, guys? Second morning of a week later. We're out again on my archery hunt. Cody tagged out. It's almost 6 o'clock. Gonna make our way up to our vantage point. Hopefully we glass up some bucks. Got the whole crew with us today. We're all pumped and ready to glass up some bucks.
Can't see my hand.
It's still dark.
Let's do it.
Damn, I take my little brother on one on the fucking cruise up with his dad. Yeah, that's it. So, where you going? Yesterday I thought about coming down once after work.
So what's going on, guys?
Well, we're just checking up on Cody's camera. See if that big buck showed up again. Checking trail cams again.
So no bucks glassed up this morning, huh?
No bucks glassed up, but we'll find them.
Just believe.
Yep.
We got the whole crew still. Pinto, you wanna say what's up?
What's up, guys? If you guys haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe while you're waiting for us.
Right now. Alright, I'm gonna go flip around to that side.
Oh yeah, see that big, there's that bear.
Again?
Oh, there's a bear, huh? Nice, what's up? Too much. I don't know. Got some beef jerky. Checking trail cams.
Yeah.
Well, turn it back on with anything cool.
Right here. You can just see the eye.
Oh yeah, I can see the whole
You
body.
guys can see any of that, but there's some booze on there. Kind of hard to tell, but there's booze on there. Show you guys a better video.
Make Matt a little blind. So he'll be set up in here with a camera person. Got a nice shooter buck coming in the morning. Go above the booth. He's already moved in here.
Good morning, people. It's Sunday. We're on my archery mule deer hunt. I don't think we actually closed off yesterday's hunt. We didn't really see much yesterday. Glassed a lot and the rainstorm kicked us off the mountain, so we relocated to a different spot yesterday and glassed up decent bull and some one buck, but he was in a spot to where I just didn't want to take a chance at him. So we're gonna try something new today. We actually made a blind at a pond where a buck shows up like every other day, so we're gonna chance it today. It was dry and recharged, so we're hoping that the buck shows up again today, but who knows, maybe he got his water already. But yeah, we're gonna try and get on this buck and sit water for the morning, and hopefully all goes good. For now, fingers crossed, and I'm waiting on Ty to come over. We're gonna go ahead and pick Cody up on our way out. Stay tuned, it's gonna be great, hopefully. Hey guys, it's 7:52. Nothing has come in yet. We had a good storm yesterday, so we don't know if that has anything to do with it, but we're waiting it out. We got me and Cody in the same blind, and we got Ty right here next to us. But we're gonna sit tight a little longer, and hopefully something steps out.
Barely. I mean, I can see him, but when you zoom in, it gets stuck.
What's up, guys? It's been a minute since our sit in the blind. Got Ryan and Cody with me at our usual spot where we glassed up those bucks, and finally glassed them up, bedded. They came out real late last night, so our plan is to find them bedded, which we did. Now I'm thinking about making my stock on them again. And hopefully the wind is in my favor, so stay tuned. So really cool phone scoping him, and buck's right there. You guys can see his antler. And I believe he may be bedded. Going in, guys. Wish me luck. This time, gotta get in range. Holy crap, guys. He pinned down at 27 yards. I couldn't move a muscle or he would have just spooked. One hell of a stalk there. He came right for me. I hope I got it on video. I'm making my way to the road. Guys are gonna pick me up there. Man, looked over the recordings and I only got the freaking ground. Dang. I wish you guys saw, man. He was a big boy. He stepped out. I was ranging some trees. One of them was 24 yards. The furthest one was 45. And that buck was headed right in between both of them. The last I saw him, so I got ready. He popped out at a different spot where I didn't expect him to, and he was facing me, so. And as soon as he cut that tree, man, he saw me. I was behind some trees, but had to stare down with me. And it's game over, I guess, for now. There was another buck that didn't spook, so I just backed out out of there. Hopefully I get another opportunity. Man, that was an exciting experience. My plan worked out again, but except I didn't let an arrow fly. When that buck turned around, our Big Daddy stepped out. Didn't know I was there. Just followed the leader with the other buck, and first buck snorted and they took off. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.